This is the Mia Beauty 3-in-1 Vanity Mirror. It's 3-in-1 because it has a folding handle. So it can be handheld, it can be folded to be a table mirror, or you can hang it on a wall like this. It measures about 11.5 inches long, and the mirror is almost 6 inches in diameter. It has this beautiful chrome finish that will match almost any home decor, bathroom decor, or salon. It's great because it's double-sided. It has regular side 1x and 10x on the other side, which is great for putting on makeup or tweezing your eyebrows. But it's nice because it can be either handheld or hands-free. The 10x magnification is really nice because this mirror is the cost of most regular 5x and 7x mirrors. And there aren't that many 10x mirrors out there. But this one by Mia Beauty is really popular. They make a great gift, and it's a great Christmas present too. So you can get yours today at miabeauty.com. Thank you.